Hi, hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Amit Surana. This is our 18th lecture in the beginners batch. Today we are going to start with pipes and cisterns. This is a subtopic of time and work, very related to time and work, but don't worry if you haven't attended time and work. We will still be explaining similar concepts, but with pipes and cisterns in mind. Yeah. That being said, hi Saurabh. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer with over 7 years of experience and I've trained 2 lakh students so far. Please don't forget to follow #CAT live daily on Instagram. Hi Akriti. These are the 2 Telegram groups. I want you to join them. If you haven't joined them already, the links are given in the description below. Use those links. Join this Telegram group because any updates that we have for your MBA prep or for IPMAT, we'll be providing it there. Hi Abhishek. आज जनता कहाँ है? आप बताओ कहाँ? Okay guys, these are all the upcoming batches, 19th May, 22nd May and another one on 22nd May. But I want to bring special attention to this batch because I'll be taking Quant starting 22nd May. That is a Saturday. This is a weekend batch. Every Saturday, Sunday this will go on. I'll be starting from the basics. I'll be starting with arithmetic. Yes, very basics. If you are someone who has just started preparing, yes, if you have just started preparing for CAT, or if you thought 6 months was enough, then you can join this. If you are also preparing for IPMAT, you can join this. You know that if you take 6 months subscription, you get 1 month subscription free. Yes. Don't forget to use SURANALIVE to get additional 10% discount. Yes, applies for Plus and pick up any of these, or for Iconic also, 24 and 12 months. Okay? Hi Abhishek. Chalo, let's start. Let's start with pipes and cisterns. Yes. So pipes and cisterns is very similar to time and work, where the work done is nothing but filling or emptying the given cistern. A cistern is nothing but a tank. Yes, a cistern and a tank is the same. Instead of people or machines or workers, there are pipes. Yes, pipes that fill the tank or empty the tank. Got it? So first let's start with positive filling. Yes. Try out this question. I'll give you an example to help you understand this. Yeah, try this out. Pipe A can fill a tank. Yes, any kind of a tank in 10 minutes. So what are we saying? Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 minutes. And pipe B can fill it. There's another pipe B that can fill it in 15 minutes. Yes. They're asking if both the pipes are kept open. If both of them are kept open, then the tank gets filled in. Then the tank gets filled in how many minutes? Yes. So I know that there are 3 ways, multiple ways of doing this, right? So if I were to say one tank, yes, then what would I do? I know that one tank can be filled in 10 minutes. That means in 1 minute, 1/10th of the tank will be filled. Yes, and by pipe B, in 1 minute, 1/15th of the tank will be filled. So when they work together, they'll be able to fill how much? 1/10th and 1/15th of the tank, correct? Which gives us what? Which gives us 3 plus 2, 5/30 in 1 minute. Yes, together 5/30 of the tank, which is nothing but 1/6. Yes, 1/6 of a tank in 1 minute. So if it takes 1 minute to fill 1/6 of a tank, then to fill one entire tank, one tank, it will take how many minutes? 6 minutes. Yes, this is our answer. So it would take them 6 minutes to fill the tank. Correct? Now this is called fraction method. This is called fraction method. Why? Because there's fractions involved. Fraction. Okay. There's another method called assumed work method. Assumed work. So in this case we are going to assume the capacity of the tank. Yes. So if I say that one tank is basically 30 liters. Yes, let's say one tank is 30 liters. Then A, filling 30 liters in 10 minutes, can fill 3 liters in 1 minute. Do you agree? 30 liters, 10 minutes, so 3 liters every minute. Same way B can fill how much? 2 liters every minute. Ultimately, when both of them are open together, they both can fill 3 plus 2, 5 liters per minute. Yes. So what do you get? You are saying that 30 liters is filled at 5 liters per minute. So 5 liters can be filled in 1 minute, or 30 liters can be filled in 6 minutes. Correct? Into 6 into 6. 6 minutes is your answer. This method is called assumed capacity. And there is a shortcut here. There is a shortcut if you don't want to do all of that. Time taken when two workers or two pipes are filling a tank together. The time taken would be what? A into B by A plus B, where A is 10 minutes, B is 15 minutes, and A plus B is 10 plus 15, 25. Yes, this is 5 2 times, 5 3 times, 2 3 times 6 minutes. Clear? So 3 methods, 1 question. Any doubts here, please ask. Otherwise we'll move on to next example. Hi Simranjeet, good afternoon. Very good Abhishek, very good Akriti. Hi Shreyashi, good afternoon. Very good Saurabh. 6 minutes is the right answer. Done. Shall we move on next example? Chalo, try this out. Read the question carefully and then answer it. Okay, don't rush. Hi Vidhi. Are you guys trying this question? Saurabh says D, 14 minutes 40 seconds. ठीक है. Others? So write down the piece of information given to us. A, fill it in 15 minutes. There's another pipe B that can fill the same tank in 20 minutes. Both the pipes are open together, but after 4 minutes pipe A is turned off. Yes, so what are they saying? Let's say if this is the capacity of the tank, overall capacity of the tank is this. Okay, so I'm going to assume that. Yes, let's assume the overall capacity of the tank. Yes, capacity can be assumed as what? 15 and 20. I want a number that will not give me fraction. Yes, so I'm going to assume it as 60 liters. Yes, so this entire thing is 60 liters. Okay, A can fill 60 liters in 15 minutes. That means in 1 minute it can fill 4 liters. Same way, B can fill 3 liters per minute. Correct? Now what are they saying? They're saying that A and B are open together for 4 minutes. So first 4 minutes, A and B are open, after which pipe A is turned off. That means the remaining tank should be filled by B. They're asking what is the total time required to fill the tank. Yes, so Saurabh and Shreyashi are saying D, 14 minutes 40 seconds. Hi Samyukta, Vanakkam. So let's try this out. Together A and B can fill how much? 4 liters, 3 liters, 7 liters every minute. So 7 liters in 1 minute. Therefore in 4 minutes they can fill how much? 28 liters. Agreed? So out of 60 liters, if 28 liters is filled already, then the remaining, that is 60 minus 28, 32 liters is to be filled by whom? By B. Yes, B has to fill the remaining 32 liters. B can fill 3 liters in 1 minute. So B, what's the scene with B? 1 minute to fill 3 liters. Yes. So for 32 liters, it will take how long? For 32 liters, it will take how long? For 32 liters, it's going to take 32 by 3 minutes. Agreed? 32 by 3 minutes. Yes, which is 9, 10, 2 by 3. Yes, so this is what? 10, 2 by 3 minutes, which is nothing but 10 minutes. 2/3 of a minute is what? 2/3 of 60 seconds. 1 minute is what? 40 seconds. Yes, so 10 minutes 40 seconds, please be careful. 10 minutes 40 seconds, which is very close to this, is the time taken by B to fill the remaining, but they're asking total time. That means including this 4 minutes plus 4 minutes, which gives us 14 minutes 40 seconds. Option D. Yes. Samyukta, what I normally say is, if the question is value based, for example this one, then go for LCM of 15 and 20. If it is equation based, then you can go for fractions. Yes, if a question is equation based, then go for fractions. Value based, LCM is always better. Okay, done. Chalo, let's, okay, before we move on to the next question, section, is every Sunday we are doing combat at 12 p.m. You can use this referral code SURANALIVE to enroll. Use this QR code to get the link. Yes, if you get a rank, so I took the last week's combat. I did not select the answers because that will be cheating, right? So for the score that I got, I would have gotten an easy 50% scholarship. Yes, and I wasn't even serious about it. So the questions are very easy to intermediate questions only, not very difficult. You can easily get a scholarship. Apart from that, you can also use this for practice, because there are students from across the country who take this. Yeah, and you can also consider taking the subscription. If you take 6 months, you get 1 month subscription free. Don't forget to use my referral code SURANALIVE for additional 10% discount. Yes, chalo. Now let's talk about leaks and outlet pipes. Just like in time and work, we had people doing positive work and negative work, correct? So if I assume filling the tank to be the work, filling the tank is the actual work, then your leak or your outlet pipe does negative work. That means work in the opposite direction. So if in this direction we have to go, this is filling the tank. If any of the pipes are doing the work in opposite direction, that is doing the work in this direction, going against the flow of it, that's called negative work. Yes, so a leak or an outlet pipe does negative work if filling the tank is the work. Okay, and try this example out. Yes. Oh, okay, sure Deepit, no issues buddy. Deepit, Samyukta, okay. Hi Ritesh. Hi Ritesh, thank you so much. Thank you so much buddy, I'm doing great. आप कैसे हो भाई? इसमें होल क्वांट आता है ना? हाँ सौरभ, LR VARC LRDI क्वांट 30 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, 10 क्वेश्चंस, 20 minutes each. That is basically 1 घंटे का टेस्ट है, 1 hour the test is, 10 questions है. You can easily get a scholarship there. ठीक है. Saurabh says option C, 3 9/17. Okay, beautiful. How about others? हाँ जी guys. You'll have to read the question very carefully. The only way in which arithmetic questions could be difficult is by the language. Yes, arithmetic questions can only be made difficult or confusing by the language used. So you have to read the questions carefully, practice enough questions so that language shouldn't become a barrier or language shouldn't be a problem when you solve questions. ठीक है? चलो, how about others? So we have 3 pipes, X, Y and Z. X takes 5 minutes, Y takes 6 minutes and Z takes 12 minutes. Profit and loss में सौरभ if you start practicing तो profit and loss में भी कोई issue नहीं रहेगा. Practice is the only solution. Yes, क्योंकि हमने concept तो पूरा cover कर लिया है, right? It's all about practice now. सब कुछ practice पे dependent है. ठीक है? Yes, correct Samyukta. That's it. Sorry, Deepit, correct. So if you take, that's basically assumption, right? You are assuming 1 liter. What I am going to assume the capacity of the tank to be 60 liters. Yes, I'm going to assume the capacity of the tank to be 60 liters. So what happens? 60 liters in 5 minutes. So for 1 minute, 12 liters. 60 liters in 6 minutes. So for 1 minute, 10 liters. 60 liters in 12 minutes, so that is what? 5 liters per minute. But what do you have to keep in mind? You have to keep in mind that X and Y are filling the tank, but Z is emptying the tank. What is Z doing? Emptying the tank. So you have to keep that in mind. Yes, -5. Why negative? Because the work is filled. If filling the tank is the work, then emptying it is negative direction. That's it. Yes, so what happens here now? Overall efficiency is 17 liters per minute. Agreed? 22 minus 5, 17 liters per minute. So we have to fill 60 liters at a capacity of 17 liters per minute. Yes, we all know that time is nothing but amount of work done by efficiency. Yes. So this is 60 by 17. 17 3 times is 51, so 3 9 by 17 minutes. Done. This is our answer. Any confusions, guys? Exactly, Deepat. That's why I suggest against fractions. I always say go for assumed capacity, assumed work method. Don't go for fraction, because you have to do the same work any which ways. You any which ways have to take LCM of 5, 6 and 12. So might as well do it here itself and go with integers other than going with fractions. Okay, clear? Superb, guys. Chalo, next, try this out. Peaky Blinders. By the order of the Peaky Blinders, yes, you can use this for DUJT also. Pipes and cisterns, time and work is a part of the syllabus for DUJAT also, so you can give this as well. Not 20 minutes, 20 minutes more. 20 minutes extra. Okay? This is 20 minutes extra, 20 minutes more. Guys, don't forget to hit like on the video, okay? Did anyone get the solution? So I'll explain this. There is a motor, okay? It can fill a tank in 2 hours. I'm going to write it in terms of minutes. 120 minutes it can fill it. Yes. Now what are they saying? Because of a leak, there is a leak. Yes, because there is a leak. We don't know what is leak's capacity, but they're saying when motor is on, when the motor is on and there is a leak, yes, and when there is a leak, it takes 20 minutes more. That means 120 ke badle it takes 140 minutes. Yes, it takes how much? 140 minutes. Now they are asking in how many hours can the leak drain all the water in the tank? Yes, we actually have to find this part. How much time does it take for the leak alone to empty the tank? Yes. So what do? Same process. Assume the capacity of the tank. So you need a number that is LCM of 120 and 140. Yeah, fastest way to find LCM is this. Look at this. Take out common factors. This is divisible by 20. 6 into 20. This is 7 into 20. So keep the 20 separate. 20 को अलग कर लो, common है, and now you have 6 and 7. So into 6 into 7. So 20 into 42 is how much? 840. So the LCM is what? 840 liters. Got it? So this is what? Capacity of the motor is going to be 840 by 120. That is 7 liters per minute. and capacity of when motor and leak both are open. When the motor is on and the leak is also open, then it takes what? 840 by 140, 6 liters per minute's capacity. Yes, what do we need to find out? We need to find out this. We know this is in negative. Yes, because leak is in opposite direction. If filling the tank is in this direction, then leak is working in the opposite direction. So 7 minus what will give us 6? 7 minus 1. So 1 liter per minute, that basically means it will take 840 minutes to empty the tank. Yes, 840 in terms of hours. They're asking how many hours is going to be how much? This is going to be 10 and 4, that is 14 hours. Clear guys? Option C. Understood? Very good. Saurabh, Preeti, superb. Same process, just ensure you have this table, right? So I'll give you a template for the table. If it is time and work or pipes and cisterns, you can use this. So you have your worker or pipe, whatever. Then you have the time. Then you have their efficiency. How do you find out efficiency? By assuming the work. So assume the work. Yes, this will be W by T. Find out each of these values. Find out the total. Find out whatever is unknown. Whatever is missing from this table, you find that out. That's it. Got it? This is the table template. Use this anywhere you want. Try this one out. Try this question, guys. Right, Saurabh. Cheers, everybody. So if you are able to see a bright white color bottle in my hand, don't worry, it's just water. Very simple question, easy to understand. Read one part at a time. We need to find what X is. So whenever you have this kind of a situation, is called partial work. Yes, this is called partial work, where one pipe or one worker is not working continuous. There is breaks. Whenever there is breaks, use the concept of partial work, where you draw something called a timeline. Yes, draw a timeline, put values in that, find the unknowns. Simple. Shreyashi and Saurabh are saying option B, 9 minutes. How about others? So what do we know here? Pipe A can fill a tank in 37.5 minutes. And pipe B can fill it in 45 minutes. Yes. So what am I going to do? I'm going to have to assume the capacity of the tank. Yes, I'm going to assume the capacity, but what would it be? what would it be? So what do you have to do? You'll have to check, right? Now you have to check what is 37.5 basically. I need to find the LCM of 37.5 and 45. Yes. Can I say 37.5 is basically 75 by 2? Yes or no? 75 by 2, correct? So if I multiply 70, so 75 has a 3 already. If I multiply it with 3, what will I get? What is 75 into 3? 75, 150, 225, correct? That will also be available here in 45. 45, how many times is 225? 5 times. 225 becomes our LCM. 45 into 5, 37.5 into 3 ka double, that is 6. Understood? Fast way of finding LCM. How to find LCM? So I'm going to consider the capacity of the tank to be 225 liters. That means A's efficiency is what? Filling 6 liters per minute, and B can fill 5 liters per minute. Agreed, everyone? Any doubts here, confusions, anybody? No? Chalo. But now what is the deal? They're saying both pipes are opened. Cistern is filled in just half an hour if pipe B is closed after X minutes. So after X minutes, that means for X minutes, whatever is X, for X minutes, both A and B were opened, correct? That means in X minutes, in 1 minute, A and B can fill 11 liters together. 1 minute, 11 liters. So X minute, 11x liters. Agreed? Overall capacity is what? 225. Yes, overall is what? 225. Now what are they saying? This 11x plus how much ever this is. The cistern is filled in just half an hour. Yes. So what is the overall capacity? Half an hour mein 225 liters is done. Yes, 225 liters is filled in just half an hour itself. Yes. So can I say this part, this area is going to be 30 minutes minus x. Overall is 30 minutes. This is 30 minus x. This is how you do it with a variable. I'll tell you how not to do it with a variable also, but let's look at this. With a variable, only pipe A is opened. Only pipe A is open. So A can fill 6 liters per minute. For 30 minus x minutes, it can fill 6 into 30 minus x liters. Correct? Agreed, everyone? So I'm going to remove this LCM wala part. Done. So this plus this is going to give us overall 225 liters. Got it? So here's your equation now. 11x plus 180 minus 6x is 225, or 5x is 225 minus 180, which is going to be how much? 45, or x is nothing but 9 minutes. This is how you should be doing it traditionally. Yes, if somebody wants to see how you have solved it, then you will do it this way. But do you really have to show all of this? ये पूरा करके दिखाना जरूरी है क्या? Not really, right? You don't have to do this. Yes. So you can use something called allegations. If you have not learned allegations, don't worry. You can also do reverse engineering. For example, what are we saying? If I assume A is the right answer, reverse engineering, okay? If I assume option A, 5 minutes is the right answer, then what happens? First 5 minutes, working at 11 liters per minute, plus remaining how much? 30 में से 5 minutes चला गया, मतलब remaining 25 minutes at 6 liters per minute. Is this equal to 225? You have to check yes or no. That's it. Yes, so 55 plus 25 into 6 is 50 into 3, 150. Is it equal to 225? No, it is not. That means option A is wrong. So now you try with B. B will work out 9 minutes. Yes, 9 into 11 plus 9, 30 minus 9, 21. So 21 into 6. This should add up to 225, which is how much? 99 plus 21 into 6 is 126. This is equal to 225, works out. Yes, this is our answer. Option B is correct. Got it? Reverse engineering. I was talking about allegations, right? मैं allegations की बात कर रहा था. I'll show you how to do it with allegations. Are you guys ready? हाँ, correct Saurabh. You can also do it. So A has worked for entire time. A बंद नहीं हुआ है, right? A has worked for the entire time period. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक पूरा 30 minutes A काम किया. So A आउट ऑफ 225 लीटर्स ए 30 मिनट्स में कितना भर लेगा? 6 लीटर्स के हिसाब से 180 लीटर्स भर लेगा. करेक्ट? 6 लीटर्स पर मिनट के हिसाब से 30 मिनट्स में 180 लीटर्स भर लेगा. मतलब जो रिमेनिंग 45 लीटर्स है वो अभी बी को भरना है. बी कैन फिल दैट इन 9 मिनट्स. दिस इज फास्टेस्ट मेथड. यस, यहाँ पे आप एलिगेशन भी कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट. You will get the ratio, but फिर रेशियो को आपको स्प्लिट करना पड़ेगा. So the choice is yours. Yes, क्या बोल रहे हैं? एक का है कैपेसिटी 6 लीटर्स पर मिनट का, दूसरे का है कैपेसिटी 5 लीटर्स पर मिनट का. दोनों मिला के 225 लीटर्स 30 मिनट्स में कवर किए. दोनों मिला के 225 लीटर्स को कितने मिनट्स में? 30 मिनट्स में कवर किए. यस, तो 5, सो स्टार्टिंग में 5 and 6 दोनों साथ में है. सो 11 एंड बाद में सिर्फ 6 है, सिर्फ A. दिस इज A प्लस B एंड दिस इज जस्ट A. यस, ओवरऑल कितना? 7.5 लीटर्स पर मिनट. दिस इज 7.5. एलिगेट कर लो. यू विल फाइंड आउट कितना रेशियो इतना इसका है, कितना रेशियो इसका है. सो दिस इज 1.5, दिस इज 3.5. 1.5 is to 3.5 is what? Basically 3 is to 7 के ratio. So 30 minutes need to be split in the ratio 3 is to 7. मतलब 10 parts, 3 parts, that gives us 9 minutes. तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे A plus B दोनों open थे वहाँ पे था 9 minutes, और जहाँ पे सिर्फ A open था वहाँ पे था 21 minutes. समझ गए? This is using allegations. ठीक है, द चॉइस इज योर्स. हाउ यू वांट टू डू इट, कैसे करना है वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई दिस वन आउट. equation based question, please be careful. Okay, anybody? Fastest way to do this question is by reverse engineering. Yes, reverse engineering is the best method. So look at this, time required by the first pipe. Yes, so I'm going to assume first pipe is A. अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि A takes 6 hours, yes, then what are they saying? They're saying the second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster. मतलब 5 hours पहले ही खत्म हो गया. That means in 1 hour it can fill it, and 4 hours slower than the third pipe. मतलब C can fill it in 4 hours slower than the third pipe. That means यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव में चला जाएगा. 1 minus 4 minus 3 hours. This cannot happen. So option A is too small. Yes, option A, 6 hours is too small. Yes, try this with the second option now. Option B, 10 hours अगर हुआ, so A takes 10 hours. Yes, B takes 5 hours less than that, that is 5 hours, and C takes what? C takes 4 hours less than that, 1 hour. Now all that you have to check is if there was a work assumed, if there was capacity of the tank assumed. So in this case I'll assume it to be 10 hours. A can do 10 liters. Yes, capacity of the tank 10 liters. A can fill 10 liters per hour, B can fill 2 liters per hour, C can fill 10 liters per hour. Correct? 10 liters in 1 hour. Looking at this itself, you know that the first statement, the first two pipes operating simultaneously fill the tank in the same during which the third pipe alone. So what are they saying? A plus B is efficiency. Efficiency of A and B should be equal to efficiency of C. Are they equal? No. So option B is also out. Your last attempt will be with option C. If that also doesn't work, then D is your answer. So A अगर 15 घंटे ले रहा है, if A takes 15 hours, then B will take 5 hours less, that is 10 hours, 15, 10, and C will take further 4 hours less, that is 6 hours. Yes, we will assume capacity of the tank to be 30 liters because 15, 10 and 6 LCM is 30. 2 liters per minute, 3 liters per minute, 5 liters per minute. Yes, is 3 plus 2 equal to 5? Check. Option C is our answer. Got it? Any confusions here, guys? Anyone? If C also didn't work out, then D would be our answer. ठीक है? Now see, normally if you want to do this using equations, yes, अगर आपको equation के साथ करना है तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. If I assume A is x hours, then B takes x minus 5 hours and C takes x minus 5 में से 4 hours, so x minus 9 hours. What is the only condition we have? We have that efficiency of A, I'm going to assume the work to be 1 unit. A plus B should be equal to C. समझ रहे हो? This is how you will have to do. तो यहाँ पे या तो प्लग इन कर लो आंसर चॉइस से या फिर एलसीएम लो, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आएगा, डील करो. So you will have x minus 5 plus x divided by x into x minus 5 is equal to 1 by x minus 9. Yes, so what do you have? You have 2x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x. समझ रहे हो? This has to be equal to 1 by x minus 9. Take this here, take that here. What will you have? You'll end up getting 2x square minus 18x minus 5x minus 23x plus 45 is equal to x square minus 5x. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Are you able to understand this, guys? Bring everything to one side. What will you have? You will have x square minus 23 plus 5 minus 18x plus 45 is equal to 0. Yes, so now values, possible values of x will be what? X would be 15 or x would be 3. Yes, 3 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि अगर if a is equal to 3, if a is equal to 3, then b will become minus 2. Not possible. So 3 is out of the question, 15 is our answer. This is your traditional method. Yes, so instead of using traditional method, use reverse engineering. ठीक है? Done. So with this, guys, pipes and cisterns का one set of questions are over. Yes, concept is done. Tomorrow we will be doing some more questions, right? Pipes and cisterns lecture 2 में we'll be doing some advanced level questions. Okay, this is happening tomorrow 18th में. Apart from this, guys, what I want you to know, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग गाइस के अपार्ट फ्रॉम लर्निंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स के अलावा कॉन्सेप्ट्स इज जस्ट 25%. यस, रिमेनिंग इज प्रैक्टिस एंड टेस्टिंग योरसेल्फ. यस, टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो जस्ट 25%. आप टेस्ट में ज्यादा नहीं सीख पाते हो. आप कहाँ पे ज़्यादा सीखते हो? प्रैक्टिस में. दिस टेक्स अप 50%. यस, तो आप अगर सोच रहे हो कि मैं सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स देख लूँगा और फिर मॉक टेस्ट दे दूंगा, तो यू आर ओनली प्रिपेयरिंग 50%. नॉट सफिशिएंट. यस, प्रैक्टिस भी ज़रूरी है. तो फॉर प्रैक्टिस आई एम डूइंग 2 sessions every day, Monday to Friday. Every day I am doing 2 sessions, one at 10 AM, one at 6 PM. 10 AM को we are doing data interpretation पे, 6 PM पे we are doing quant पे. Yes, where is this happening? This is happening on special classes. Yes, these are free classes that happen on Unacademy learning app. Yes, so if you do not have the app, go ahead, download it. Yes, register using the code SURANALIVE. You don't have to pay for these. These are free classes. Yes, free classes है, don't have to pay for them. ठीक है? Yes, join these guys. These are practice sessions that will help you cover the remaining 50% also. Yes, and today 8 PM we are doing permutation combination. 8 PM today we are doing permutation and combination. Today we will be doing letter based questions. Yes, ये 6 PM वाला क्लास आ जाना. आज हम करेंगे simple interest and compound interest. I'll send the link on the Telegram group. If you guys do not have the link to the Telegram group, you can take it from the description or type this in Telegram. SURANALIVE CAT. single word है SURANALIVE CAT. Type this up, you can join the group. Okay, cool guys. So please keep in mind that you can also take the Iconic subscription. Under Iconic subscription you get all the benefits of Plus, unlimited access to everything, but apart from that you get a personal mentor who will help you at every step of the way, be it test prep or different colleges, applications, any doubts you have, any queries you have, they will help you, right? Which specialization, which apart from CAT, what other test should I give, all of that. Yeah, so to get that, use my referral code SURANALIVE. You will get a 10% discount, and there's Ask a Doubt feature also available for Plus and Iconic members. Yes, thank you very much guys. I'll see you at 6 p.m. on Special and 8 p.m. on YouTube. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.